It's a huge step forward that means a quicker, less painful recovery for folks who need surgery. The Schuylkill Health Center just bought a $1 million robot that makes it easier for doctors to operate. As Matthew Petrillo tells us, it could save patients money too.
Articulated almost like a hand. You can spin it around, you can twist it back and forth.
Doctors here at Schuylkill Health just got a new toy.
It's going to be great for the community.
A $1.6 million robot you won't find anywhere else in town.
This instrument is really going to expand our ability to provide minimally invasive surgery.
It's called the Da Vinci, and while it kind of works like a video game, it performs like a miracle.
Patients are going to be back at work much quicker than they would otherwise. They're out of the hospital much quicker than they would be otherwise, much less pain. So it's all around less blood loss, all around just a better experience for the patient.
It works by the doctor looking into these binoculars and controlling the surgery by maneuvering a robot from just a few feet away.
And if you watch the articulation of the grasping instruments, you'll see that they pretty much mimic what my hand is doing.
Now, this technology is a lot more detailed than your conventional surgery. It uses 3D HD 1080p technology, and it's so detailed you can see something in this penny you probably have never seen before. There's Abraham Lincoln right there. It's a lot less invasive, so patients will have to spend less days in the hospital.
Instead of having something that takes 6 weeks to work with recovery in 2 weeks.
Which also means their hospital bills may decrease. Not to mention, Schuylkill Health is the only hospital in the area with one of these bad boys.
So people won't have to travel as far to, if they're a candidate for surgery with a robotic procedure. That's huge.
Now, the robotic surgery machine doesn't totally replace other more conventional ways of doing surgery, but it does give doctors and patients more options.
It's a great advancement, for the hospital and the community.
It's called Da Vinci partly because Leonardo da Vinci invented the first robot.
The two instruments that you see on the screen here are grasping instruments.
But doctors here say they're pretty sure he hasn't seen anything like this. Matthew Petrillo, News 13, Pottsville.